We're at Maya Taqueria on Vanderbilt in Prospect Heights. This place just got voted like top 5 nachos by Brooklyn. So, got a nice little saucy river of sour cream with guac, pico. Heard it was sloppy. I like a sloppy nacho, so. It's got regular cheddar. Guac is nice and cold. The black beans are smoky. Very zesty. This is literally like under $7. It was dirt cheap. I also got a fish taco. So the whole thing with a Diet Coke came on like $12, so. Sorry, I haven't really gotten the chicken yet. Let me try some chicken. Good, pico de gallo chicken. It's nice. This is a good sized portion for not a lot of money. So, come to Vanderbilt.